Hey, we out here. 80s night, we out here.
Okay, so somebody said it was a glow party, so you know I'm a glow. We ready to glow and we had to go glow. So I'm gonna meet my friends on the deck for our 80s glow party. Do I look 80s and glowing up? I got a lot of blush on. Got a lot of glitter. Got on the sequins. Yeah, I think let's go this way. Alright. Let's go. And glow. Let me tell you something. They had outfit contests. I'll be winning. Oh, what? Sorry.
Caitlin. They're saying it's too cold, so I might go. You look pretty.
Thank you. You guys gonna 80s glow party?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to do that too, if you can't tell.
No, I can't really tell. No, not at all.
Oh, it's crowded.
Oh, we're going where? They're going to change.
Damn, I hate that I have to go through the.
Vlogging?
Oh. I am vlogging.
Oh shit. Hey, we out here. 80s night, we out here.
Best outfit on the cruise right here. With the water.
Oh shit.
Ow!
Ow!
That's adorable. You look so good.
Let's rock.
I like the purse.
Thank you, love. Alright, so I think we 80s rock and glow party. This should be fun. I hate that my room was in the fucking back of the ship and I had to walk the Green Mile. Let's see if Watson and Leo are even there. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That's a Barbie. I love that. Thank you, sweetheart. You're beautiful as well. You gotta be extra. Hopefully I don't tip over. Everybody looking at me.
Okay.
Alright, let's rock and roll. Yes, I'm not gonna deny it. I'm loving this. I'm feeling the fantasy. It's the ocean blue for me. It's legs for days for me. It's the confidence for me. Like, I like that I'm not afraid to take up space. Like, yeah, I'm glowing. You see me. You're not gonna miss me. And it's not for some people, but it's for me, and that's all that matters. Everybody had a chance to glow because they gave out these glow sticks. One thing about Carnival, they keep the party rocking. I still have my glow stick. It's a souvenir that I will cherish. About this outfit, yeah, so I got the blue glow cowl from Amazon, and I will link it in the description because lots of people ask me about it. It's perfect for a night out when you just want to shine. And why not shine? It's not even exclusive to like a glow event. I could see you wearing this just to be extra if you extra like me. Speaking of extra like me, look at my boy Leo. Shout out to him. Make sure you're following the House of X. Speaking of House of X, here my boy Wanston go. We love some Whitney Houston. Yeah. It got real crowded real fast. I sang, I danced, I did my thing, but I was ready to go. I don't be partying all night. I ain't that girl. I did the 80s glow party. I think I did it right. And now I'm done. I'm tuckered out. Will not be partying. I'm gonna head straight to my bed, and I want to get a head start on packing. I want to get some rest. I'll be tired, girl. Oh wait, this room is dark. What is so nice? Hi, can I take pictures? Quick. Nope. I know, I like it because I'm glowing. So I was thinking it'd be a great idea to take some pictures in this room because it was really dark. And I'm like, you'll see all the glowing, you know, all those bioluminescent animals, creatures that live in the sea. Like, I felt like one of those. So it's me giving you a little jellyfish. Splash, don't get stung. I'm pretty sure sadly some of y'all come to my videos and you don't like me. You just want to be like, oh, you could have did this, why are you not doing this, blah blah blah. I'm not deleting y'all comments no more. I'm just gonna let them rock. You entitled to your opinion. I'm just living my life, having a good time. If my blog doesn't shoot you, then you can go ahead and watch something else. But if you continuously watch my videos to the end, then you're not even a hater at this point. You're a lover, and we embrace you. So shout out to me because I love this outfit, and shout out to you for watching all the way to the end. Okay, I'm getting I got undressed, okay? I still got glitter on, mind your business. But my cruise is rocking. It's rocking so much. Look at that mirror. You see the mirror bouncing? I don't know if you see that. But it's bouncing more than it was. Less than it was just now. Before it was like this. I'm like, oh shit, the cruise is rocking. We was just having a party. Does that matter? Is that why? Anyway, I felt the cruise rocking. I don't feel anything though. I'm very happy about that. Just because I don't get seasick on this cruise doesn't mean that's not possible that I won't get seasick on the next cruise. But, you know, we have a positive, put positive energy out there. I gotta get it together. Good night. There you go again. See, that's my mirror. Bouncing. You see it? And don't pay attention to all of it. That's a reflection of it. You can see it better in the reflection. Do you see the way that shit is rocking? I could feel it. All right, I feel like they speeding. They trying to speed their way to goddamn Bahamas. Relax, we gonna get there when we get there.